Here's a little bit more on tabs. Here we've got the conversion rates for Australian dollars into pounds and rupees and dong. And we need the numbers to line up a little bit nicely, a bit nicer than this. The problem with this one obviously is the Vietnamese dong is too far, it's taken the tab too far across, so we'll control that first. We'll just get this and we'll set it here. That's better. Nice. We might pull it back over here towards the numbers a little bit. And we covered all this last time. But it's a little bit hard to see the numbers, and the reason for that is that they left a line. So the 0, the 5 and the 2 line up with each other. So to fix that, what we're not going to do is click in here and hit tab and in here and hit tab because we're over that. What we're going to do is change the tab. So we double click it. Up the top here in the blue, the machine's asking us to type a position for the tab. Now we've already got one, so we've only got one, so it's just there at 4. So we'll get it down here because this is the one we want to change. We may have 3 or 4 tabs in here, so we'll just get this one. And we'll say turn it into a right tab, set that, OK, and it right aligns. Now it's too close here, so we'll go and get this tab again, the tab on 4, and we'll drag it across to about 5. Everything's now right aligned. Much easier to read. But the problem with these numbers is that this is only 1 decimal point, this is 2 decimal points, this is 3 decimal points. So it might be better if we get the decimals to line up instead of the last of the numbers. So we'll double click the tab again. We'll get it in the big white part of the box. We'll turn it to a decimal tab. We'll say set, and we'll say OK. Nice. Your decimals are lined up, it's easy to see the difference between each of the numbers. A different type of tab that you mightn't use very often, but we'll look at it anyway, is this one. This is the cast of and the music for some unknown movie or other. And we'll put a tab in there, and put a tab in there, and we'll put a tab in there. Now, that's not the way it lines up, that's horrible, so we'll go and set the tabs. We'll set, say, 1, just for the heck of it here. Things are looking horrible, and we'll set another one here.